The Slack notification hit at 4:23 a.m., just 3 words that made my heart sink. Production VM down. I grabbed my laptop, still half asleep. This wasn't our first rodeo with VM issues, but something felt different this time. The Azure portal loaded slowly, too slowly. When it finally appeared, the VM status confirmed my worst fear. Failed. I clicked on Boot Diagnostics. The screenshot showed something I'd never seen before. A blue screen with white text. Error code 0xC00E. Operating system not found. My phone started buzzing. The operations manager, the database team, the CEO. Our main application server was completely dead. 3,000 users across Europe were waking up to error messages. I took a deep breath. Panic wouldn't fix this. I needed to think like an engineer. Time to dig deep. First rule of troubleshooting, document everything. I opened my incident log and started typing. 4:25 a.m. VM status failed. Boot error 0xC0000E. The Boot Diagnostics screenshot was my first clue. The error appeared during the Windows Boot Manager phase. This meant the VM could find the disk but couldn't load the OS. I tried the simple fixes first. Reset RDP configuration. Next attempt, redeploy the VM. This moves it to a new host, which can fix hardware-related issues. Another 5 minutes, another failure. I tried the Serial Console, Azure's backdoor into troubled VMs. SACE appeared, Special Administration Console. I was in. But SACE has limited capabilities. I couldn't repair the boot configuration from here. I was stuck, or was I? The plan formed in my mind. Create a recovery VM, attach the broken OS disk as a data disk, fix it offline, reattach it to the original VM. I started with a fresh VM, same size, same region, same OS version. Create new VM, name recovery VM temp. First, I had to detach it from the failed VM. I clicked detach. The recovery VM finished deploying. I attached the broken disk as a data disk. The attachment succeeded. I logged in and opened disk management. There it was. The broken disk mounted as drive F. I ran bootrec commands, fixmbr, fixboot, rebuildbcd. The boot configuration was restored. I reattached it to the original VM as the OS disk. Clicked start and waited. The status changed, starting, then finally running. I saw the Windows login screen. We're back. By 5:47 a.m., everything was operational. Total downtime 1 hour and 24 minutes. The root cause, a Windows update, had partially installed before failing. It corrupted the boot configuration in the process. First, boot diagnostics are your best friend. Enable them on every VM. Second, know your error codes. 0xC000E means BCD corruption. 0xC000F means missing boot files. Third, practice offline disk repairs. Fourth, maintain proper backups. I updated our runbook with the detailed recovery steps. Next time, any team member could handle this. The CEO sent a message. Great work. How do we prevent this? I replied, already on it. Implementing staged update policies and pre-update snapshots. Because in the cloud, it's not about avoiding problems, it's about recovering from them quickly. Every failure is a lesson. Every crisis is an opportunity to improve. And every sleepless night, well, that's just part of the job. But seeing that login screen after a critical failure, that feeling never gets old. If you found this story helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more real-world cloud troubleshooting experiences. And tell me in the comments, what's the worst VM nightmare you've faced, and how did you fix it?